the first entry. But before that, we would like to acknowledge our official tabulator for this morning for our street dancing grand zone competition. We have Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much to again, partner, ladies and gentlemen, people of South Cotabato. Let us start the showdown number, beginning with our first entry for Madam Beklan category. The person in the bathroom as she immerses herself in woven wax, she begins to use touch with leaves, motionless exhibitions. The bypass gathering to her village and each character fades into the background as she embraces the new opportunities and experiences the stage called. Lucky Linda is played by DJ Stephanie. Her dream to witness the premiere of the show Craft in a booming tragedy that threatens her life. Amidst the chaos of the future emerges a man named Manipur, who is destined to become the village chief. This dream profoundly impacts Tula, stealing a deep sense of responsibility and longing to reconnect with her heritage. Compelled by the urgency of her dream, Tula decides to return to her village. She shares her vision with her villagers and declares that Manuhol is destined to be their new dad. The community, intrigued and inspired by Tula's conviction, decides to hold a traditional horse fight to officially declare Manuhol as the dad. During the horse fight, Manuhol doing his work and his ceremony is declared the dad. As the new chieftain, he invites the villagers to live on his land, fostering
Kadugay ba?
The village is henceforth named Manuboy Village, located in Barangay ng Sugod, Surama, South Cotabato. Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present the municipality of Surama in her interpretation of Ringa Tula.
Sige, luhog na. Ikaw ang nakita. Yes. Sorala, number 1 Sorala.
Sharing our Facebook page or Facebook Live.
Supported of South Cotabato and Tagalog Festival 2024. And for our live stream this morning, we have the provincial information office and the JNT
Services. Yes, maraming salamat po. Let it be known to the whole country and to the whole world that we are celebrating our Silver Dinac Festival and the Day Foundation anniversary.
Wow, grabe! So people of South Cotabato, sa lahat po ng aming mga bisita na bunyari pa, nagmula po sa iba't ibang probinsya, no, sa mga katabi natin sa probinsya, and welcome po to the province of South Cotabato. And we have also our Balikbayan partner, ang muling pagbabalik, siyempre ng ating mga kababayan.
Enjoy po natin. And don't forget, mamayang gabi, we have Malakbakan,
Yes.
6 p.m. And our grand fireworks display, 10 p.m. po mamayang gabi.
Yes, partner. Yan sa ating po mga Balikbayan, siyempre, no? There's no place like home. Kaya, i-enjoy po natin ang ating bakasyon at ang ating muling pagbabalik, siyempre, sa ating mismo kalawigan ng probinsya ng South Cotabato.
Talagang babalik at babalik ka sa South Korea.
Yes, partner.
Makita mo ako.